It's not every day that my refrigerator looks this good, so I thought I'd give you a walkthrough of it. I swear I didn't clean it up. So there's some chocolate, I agree. There's some boiled eggs ready to go. I got kimchi. I got some vegetables right there, ready to eat. Some broccoli that I steam. I got some fruits like apples and oranges. Here's some quinoa that I prepared. There's some leftover soup, potatoes, chicken. I got some more eggs. I got tempeh and tofu, hummus. This is a bit of sweet potato that's already boiled. These are some vegan patties. I just like to make some burger patties. That was some bulgur wheat. There's some oatmeal that's ready to go. Above that was a little bit of lentils, some avocados, and mayo.